In the real world, light ripples on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, pandas shake their fur to stay clean and comfortable.
In the real world, pandas groom themselves to keep their fur clean.
In the real world, pandas react quickly to small sounds in their environment.
In the real world, pandas seek shade to stay cool during warmer moments.
In the real world, pandas sample bamboo leaves to judge freshness and quality.
In the real world, pandas carefully cross natural obstacles in their path.
In the real world, pandas smell water sources before deciding to drink.
In the real world, pandas clean their paws to maintain hygiene while feeding.
In the real world, pandas sometimes dig lightly to investigate scents in soil.
In the real world, pandas test surfaces carefully as they move through terrain.
In the real world, pandas use wind to detect scents carried through forests.
In the real world, pandas occasionally taste bark to assess available food.
In the real world, pandas shake off moisture to stay comfortable while moving.
In the real world, pandas rub surfaces to gather scent and sensory information.
In the real world, pandas pause often to assess open areas before crossing. In the real world, pandas follow scent trails while moving through their territory.
In the real world, pandas adjust their balance carefully with each step.
In the real world, pandas sense ground noise to move quietly.
In the real world, pandas inspect bamboo bases to track activity and food sources.
In the real world, pandas stretch their hind legs to maintain mobility.
In the real world, pandas leave scent marks to communicate within their territory.
In the real world, pandas rest in shaded areas to regulate body temperature.
In the real world, pandas wipe their faces to stay clean after feeding.
In the real world, pandas sort through bamboo leaves to find the best food.
In the real world, pandas tilt their heads to better understand distant sounds.
In the real world, pandas reposition themselves to stay cool as light shifts.
In the real world, pandas adjust their posture to stay comfortable while moving.
In the real world, pandas stretch their forepaws to maintain flexibility.
In the real world, pandas scratch their ears to relieve irritation and stay comfortable.
In the real world, pandas cross streams carefully to avoid slipping on wet ground.
In the real world, pandas shake water from their paws after crossing streams.
In the real world, pandas move patiently through dense foliage without forcing paths. In the real world, pandas pause on raised ground to observe their surroundings.
In the real world, pandas lift their faces to sample scents carried by the wind.
In the real world, Pandas inspect bamboo nodes to assess strength and freshness. In the real world, pandas remain calm as forest moisture falls around them.
In the real world, pandas scan their surroundings before continuing forward.
In the real world, pandas reposition bamboo to move safely through dense growths. In the real world, pandas leave subtle traces as they move through forest floors.
In the real world, pandas move calmly as vegetation brushes against them. In the real world, pandas rely on stillness to sense subtle changes around them.
In the real world, pandas test their surroundings with simple, deliberate movements.
In the real world, pandas pause to smell bamboo before continuing their path.
In the real world, pandas move through tight spaces using their bodies gently.
Hello. Emerging from the morning mist, the panda navigates the dense forest floor. It is here, among the fresh growth.
In the real world, pandas test slippery surfaces before placing their full weight. In the real world, pandas make small posture adjustments to stay comfortable while standing.
In the real world, pandas notice shifting light and shadows as they move.
In the real world, pandas lick their noses to keep their sense of smell effective.
In the real world, pandas listen carefully as forests return to quiet.
In the real world, pandas lower their heads to gather information without moving.
In the real world, pandas move their ears to pinpoint sounds in the forest.
In the real world, pandas shift their weight carefully to stay balanced.
In the real world, pandas move carefully beneath bamboo to avoid sudden noise.
In the real world, pandas release bamboo gently to avoid unnecessary noise.
In the real world, pandas pause often, conserving energy through quiet breathing.
In the real world, pandas smell exposed soil to understand recent activity.
In the real world, pandas press loose stems to ensure safe footing. Here we see the panda utilizing its powerful jaws and specialized paws to strip the bamboo, a critical part of its daily routine.
In the real world, pandas pause to listen before entering quieter forest zones.
In the real world, pandas move forward calmly, guided by routine and instinct.
In the real world, pandas choose paths based on scent, space, and familiarity.
In the real world, pandas use their bodies to judge space while moving.
In the real world, pandas lift their steps to avoid obstacles beneath dense cover.
In the real world, pandas check paw placement to maintain steady movement.
In the real world, pandas adjust head height to move quietly through bamboo.
In the real world, pandas pause to gather scent information before moving on.
In the real world, the forest returns to calm moments after a panda passes through.
In the real world, pandas roll their weight smoothly to move across uneven terrain.
In the real world, pandas disappear into bamboo, becoming part of the forest again.
In the real world, pandas are sensed through movement long before they are seen.
In the real world, Pandas are often seen only briefly before blending back into cover.
In the real world, silence often marks where a panda has just been.
In the real world, pandas reveal themselves through the quiet movement of bamboo.
In the real world, life continues quietly long after a panda has moved on.
In the real world, pandas pass unseen, leaving only subtle signs behind. In the real world, forests quickly erase the paths pandas take.
In the real world, pandas leave only brief traces that fade into mist.
In the real world, changing light marks the quiet paths pandas take.
In the real world, pandas leave the forest exactly as they found it.
In the real world, shifting sunlight reveals how forests change through the day.
In the real world, forests breathe quietly long after pandas have moved on. In the real world, forests reset quickly after pandas pass through. In the real world, sunlight marks the forest's calm after a panda has passed. In the real world, forests continue their routines after pandas quietly pass through.
In the real world, animals often sense pandas before they are seen. In the real world, steady light signals a forest at rest.
In the real world, pandas often announce themselves only through sound.
In the real world, even a falling leaf can mark where a panda moved.
In the real world, even a single step leaves quiet signs of a panda's presence.
In the real world, bamboo sounds often mark a panda's quiet movement. In the real world, forests return to balance shortly after a panda passes. In the real world, forests quickly forget the quiet paths pandas take.
In the real world, bamboo closes behind pandas, hiding where they walked.
In the real world, stillness often means a panda has already moved on.
In the real world, the forest moves on quietly after a panda has passed.
In the real world, even the forest floor continues its quiet work after pandas pass. In the real world, shifting shadows quietly trace where pandas once moved.
In the real world, still air often follows the passing of a panda.
In the real world, feeding pandas are often heard long before they are seen. In the real world, the sound of bamboo snapping often signals a panda feeding nearby.
In the real world, pandas feed slowly, creating a steady rhythm within bamboo forests.
In the real world, pandas shift position often to feed comfortably and efficiently.
In the real world, pandas carefully peel bamboo to reach the most nutritious parts. In the real world, pandas pause often, chewing slowly and conserving energy.
In the real world, pandas change feeding angles to reduce strain and effort.
In the real world, pandas pause their feeding to adjust grip and balance.
In the real world, pandas chew slow, maximizing energy from each bite.
In the real world, pandas adjust bamboo gently to continue feeding efficiently.
In the real world, pandas' gentle movements subtly sway the bamboo around them.
In the real world, pandas often pause feeding to listen for changes around them.
In the real world, pandas leave subtle traces that show their recent presence.
In the real world, the forest floor hums quietly with life, unseen by most.
In the real world, sunlight highlights the quiet paths pandas have taken.
In the real world, bamboo tips reveal the gentle presence of a hidden panda.
In the real world, pandas move quietly, leaving only faint hints of their presence.
In the real world, forests settle back into calm after every small movement.
In the real world, sunlight dances across the forest long after a panda has passed. In the real world, even slight leaf movements reflect the panda's presence nearby.
In the real world, pandas' hidden movements cause gentle sways in bamboo stalks.
In the real world, gentle breezes ripple through bamboo, hinting at hidden wildlife.
In the real world, subtle leaf movements hint at hidden pandas in the grove. In the real world, forests hold still for moments between hidden activity. In the real world, shadows shift slowly as the forest responds to unseen movement.
In the real world, forests continue their quiet activity, while pandas feed unseen.
In the real world, bamboo stands still, reflecting the quiet presence of pandas nearby.
In the real world, subtle leaf ripples show pandas moving quietly through bamboo.
In the real world, life continues quietly on the forest floor after pandas pass.
In the real world, bamboo stalks sway and settle quietly after a panda passes.
In the real world, forests remain calm and balanced, while pandas rest unseen.
In the real world, hidden pandas create subtle patterns in the bamboo around them.
In the real world, hidden pandas create subtle movements among bamboo stalks. In the real world, light reveals the subtle signs of pandas moving quietly through the forest.
In the real world, bamboo clusters remain still, quietly reflecting the hidden life of pandas.
In the real world, the forest floor remains quiet while pandas move silently nearby.
In the real world, sunlight reveals traces of pandas moving quietly through the forest. In the real world, even a quivering leaf can signal a panda's hidden movement.
In the real world, life continues quietly on the forest floor, while pandas feed unseen.
In the real world, hidden pandas cause subtle quivers in bamboo leaves around them.
In the real world, gentle sways of bamboo leaves hint at hidden pandas nearby.
In the real world, subtle shifts in bamboo leaves reveal the hidden presence of pandas. In the real world, a gentle sway in bamboo hints at a panda moving unseen nearby. In the real world, even a small leaf shift can indicate a panda's quiet presence nearby. In the real world, pandas leave gentle patterns in the forest that reveal their presence.
In the real world, even slight leaf movements signal a panda's quiet presence nearby. In the real world, pandas moving quietly cause subtle ripples through bamboo clusters.
In the real world, tiny shifts on the forest floor reveal a panda's hidden presence.
In the real world, a subtle flicker in bamboo stalks indicates a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, gentle teeters in bamboo leaves hint at a panda moving unseen nearby.
In the real world, bamboo clusters remain hushed, while pandas move quietly nearby.
In the real world, slight shifts on the forest floor reveal the hidden movements of pandas.
In the real world, even a drifting bamboo leaf can indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, small disturbances on the forest floor reveal the panda's hidden presence.
In the real world, a gentle flicker in bamboo leaves hints at a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, minor quivers on the forest floor hint at pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, quiet shifts in bamboo leaves signal the presence of hidden pandas.
In the real world, subtle signs on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, hidden pandas create gentle quivers in bamboo clusters nearby.
In the real world, soft shifts on the forest floor reveal pandas moving quietly through bamboo.
In the real world, a light flicker of bamboo leaves hints at a panda nearby.
In the real world, subtle shifts on the forest floor indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, soft sways in bamboo hint at hidden pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, a quiet ripple in bamboo hints at a panda moving silently nearby. In the real world, subtle twitches on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle shifts on the forest floor indicate pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle ripples on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, minor sways of bamboo leaves reveal pandas moving silently nearby. In the real world, even a light flicker of bamboo leaves hints at a hidden panda nearby. In the real world, gentle twitches on the forest floor reveal pandas moving quietly nearby. In the real world, light sways of bamboo leaves hint at a hidden panda nearby. In the real world, quiet teeters in bamboo hint at a panda moving silently nearby. In the real world, subtle teeters of bamboo leaves hint at pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, soft flickers on the forest floor reveal pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle shifts on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, light teeters in bamboo reveal pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, soft ripples in bamboo indicate a panda moving quietly nearby. In the real world, soft quivers on the forest floor reveal pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, minor ripples on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, subtle teeters on the forest floor indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle teeters in bamboo reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, light teeters on the forest floor hint at a panda moving quietly nearby. In the real world, quiet disturbances on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby. In the real world, minor shifts in bamboo leaves reveal a panda moving quietly nearby. In the real world, minor twitches on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, soft shifts of bamboo leaves indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, gentle ripples in bamboo indicate pandas moving silently nearby. In the real world, light ripples on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle teeters in bamboo leaves reveal pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, soft ripples in bamboo leaves indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, minor flickers on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, minor ripples in bamboo leaves reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, light teeters on the forest floor reveal a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, light ripples in bamboo reveal a panda moving quietly nearby. In the real world, soft teeters on the forest floor reveal pandas moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, subtle ripples on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, light teeters of bamboo leaves indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.
In the real world, minor flickers on the forest floor reveal pandas moving silently nearby.
In the real world, gentle teeters of bamboo leaves indicate a panda moving quietly nearby.